Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7971. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 22-inch alloy wheels, and they are wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe, and then you also have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate controls and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.